Ah, the sweet struggle of gaining YouTube subscribers. It's like trying to herd cats, but the cats are invisible and they're on the internet. You've poured your heart into creating content, you've spent countless hours editing, and yet your subscriber count is more like a sluggish tortoise than a soaring eagle. It's a conundrum that baffles many a budding YouTuber. It's a bit like trying to complete a jigsaw puzzle, but half the pieces are missing, and the other half are from a completely different puzzle. Or like trying to catch a unicorn with a net made of dreams and good intentions. It's a task that might make even the most optimistic among us question our sanity. So, if you're ready to pull out your hair in frustration, fear not. We have some, surefire steps to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride! Alright, brace yourselves. Here comes the tsunami of wisdom. Let's dive into the 10 most unconventional, yet hilariously unproven methods to gain 1,000 YouTube subscribers. Step 1. Fashion your YouTube channel into a shrine for your vast collection of mismatched socks. People love socks, right? It's a niche market waiting to be tapped into. On to step 2. Upload a video of yourself attempting, emphasis on attempting, to break dance in a banana suit. The more dramatic the music and the more questionable the dance moves, the better. Step 3. Pestering is key. Friends, family, distant relatives, even your neighbor's pet goldfish. Everyone's a potential subscriber. Sweeten the deal with homemade cookies, because who can resist that? Step 4. Enlist a herd of trained squirrels. Equip them with tiny squirrel-sized backpacks carrying flyers with your YouTube link. It's guerrilla marketing on a whole new level. Step 5. Fuel the rumor mill. Convince your viewers that subscribing to your channel will grant them entry to a secret society of sock enthusiasts, where life's existential questions are discussed over a cup of warm tea. Step 6. Rope in a local celebrity. Ideally, one with a profound love for socks. A public endorsement of your channel could work wonders, or at least raise a few eyebrows. Step 7. Go big with a billboard advertisement. Picture this. Your face, a monocle, a top hat, and a catchy slogan. Subscribe to my YouTube channel or brace for the sockpocalypse. Step 8. Organize a flash mob. In the heart of a bustling shopping mall, imagine a crowd dancing to sock-themed music while chanting your channel name. Talk about free publicity. Step 9. Develop a theory, a groundbreaking one. Proclaim that subscribing to your channel will lead to world peace. Now, who wouldn't want to be part of that? And finally, step 10. If all else fails, resort to subliminal messaging flash. Subscribe now or face the wrath of the socks in your videos. It's worth a shot, right? And there you have it. The most foolproof ways to get 1,000 subscribers, or maybe just a good laugh. Now, if you followed all these steps and you're not swimming in subscribers, don't panic. Perhaps your sock collection isn't as fascinating as you thought, or maybe the banana suit was just a touch too ripe. It's possible that your friends, family, and even the neighbor's goldfish were unimpressed by your homemade cookies, or the squirrels you hired were more interested in collecting acorns than promoting your channel. Maybe the secret society of sock enthusiasts was too secretive, or your local celebrity wasn't as sock-obsessed as you'd hoped. It's possible that the billboard didn't quite capture your best side, or maybe the flash mob was just too flashy. Perhaps your groundbreaking theory didn't quite shake the earth. Or your subliminal messages were a little too subtle. Yes, these steps may have been more for a chuckle than a strategy, but they serve to remind us of the creativity and fun that can be found in the journey to success. But remember, if all else fails, there's always the sockpocalypse to look forward to. So go forth, create, and may the socks be with you.
Craving more how-to goodness? Subscribing not only fuels our creative fire, but unlocks a treasure trove of tutorials guaranteed to level up your life. So, why wait? Hit that subscribe button now and dive into a world of endless possibilities. And explore our other videos for a journey toward success.